welcome once again to another Golfing Banker video. Again, this is not a full video or anything like that. It's just shots happening one Sunday afternoon in a Soliman Cup in Philippine Navy. I know I haven't really shot so much. It's been raining so bad in the Philippines and I've been sick, so I haven't been playing. But yeah, here are some warnings for this video because it started to get really cloudy. It drizzled a bit. So if ever the rain starts again, unfortunately I have to stop shooting, but as much as we can. I'm playing right now with my brother Gian, our friends Boyet and Aris, my sister Leia, brother-in-law Raymond, and my cousin Chino are all in the flight before us. Just a few people today, but let's have fun and hope you enjoy with the commentaries. I'll just voice over some commentaries. See ya. Hey, Gian taking his second shot. And now me for a birdie putt. Oh, on the first hole, birdie putt. Yes, sir. But I'll be happy even with just a par. And now introducing the one and only Aris Salomon. First time in the channel. Missed that putt, but hey, why not? Come back.
That's good. Pasok. Nice.
And you've seen him before. He's in the channel, Mr. Boyet Morsha. You know what? Let me tell you this, right? It's fun to have like games like this with your family, right, and friends, and having fun in the golf course, even when it's raining and all that. But sometimes you just have to really think about how you are playing. I mean, did I enjoy the round? Yes, I did. Did I score good? I shot, if I'm not mistaken, like a 78 or a 79. But was I happy with my game? Honestly, no. I wasn't really happy. There were a lot of mistakes that I did. I could have scored maybe a 3 over or a 4 over par during this round, but I did not. I scored like 8 or 9. I wasn't really that much impressed with how I was playing. There were a lot of holes which I could have saved par. There were a lot of holes where I could have just stuck it in closer to the hole, but I didn't. Just something wrong with my game that day. I don't know, I wasn't really considering that the ball was heavy, that it was raining, that the greens were really so slow and all that. I was just not really thinking about scoring that day. And sometimes when you do that, you just feel bad for yourself because you know you could have done more. Like ships that are, I mean, you could just have done better, right? If you could have just stepped back, looked at it again, which I would advise, right? Especially to new golfers out there. You really want to score good. If at the very onset you don't feel right, you think that you might be aiming off or your balance is off, just take a breather, step back, maybe get another club. There's a lot of times here where because it was cart path only that I did not anymore get another club. It was bad. Ladies and gentlemen, ito po si Mr. Aris Salomon. Ang dakilang, ano ba, dakilang? Pogi lang. Aris, kasama namin sa Soliman Cup since 2000, what? 16, 15? Yeah, mga 16, 15. He's a data scientist, Manya, Colorado. So ladies and gents, as you can see at the end of the fairway, it's such dark, cloudy day. But we don't care, we're playing. Welcome to the golf cart. This is my version of a card cam, which is actually just my phone. I'm just holding my phone and with a tripod and
Alright, yeah, there you go. So, how has everything been going on? Well, I haven't played for 2 weeks again. It's been raining and all that. And plus, I was able to finish the proper setup of my golf clubs. So now, ladies and gents, I have a regular shaft, 60 gram driver for my shaft, and then stiff shafts for 3 wood down to my wedges. But I kept my 3 wood, my 5 wood, my 5 hybrid with graphite shafts, and my irons are now using Zello 7. So let's have a what's in the bag later on. The setup that I had before wasn't really working for me. Imagine my irons before, they were like 104 grams stiff. I had Ping G430s and it's not really working for me at all. So yeah, now I shifted to lighter Zello 7 stiff shafts, around 90 grams. It's spelling a difference. I'm now seeing my ball draw, but I'm drawing it too much now, so I'm mostly missing everything to the left. But it's just a matter of learning it, right? So I just got them this morning. New setup of the clubs. Let's try them here in Navy. So si Gian papalo for Eagle. Sabi ni Aris, kaya to?
Kaya.
Eh kaso pinipresyo na namin ni Aris ngayon. Naka-video pa. Kaya nga! Kaliwa lang pero umabot yun. In high.
You want good scores? Always think about your shots. Always think about your shots. That's the only secret.
Naka-aim yan yung 52 degrees.
Hello! Hello!
Getting good scores means you are serious about the game. Think about your shots. The drive, for example. The drive will give you the best chance for an approach to the green. Irons going to the green, always think about the conditions. Think about your lie. What kind of iron you're gonna use. Don't be too egotistic about your shots.
As expected, it's raining. So just say hi to brother Gian.
Yeah!
It's raining, so the camera is going into the cart. For the meantime, it looks like it's gonna really fall hard. So guys, I'll see you in whatever hole that is. It stops raining. See you. Sorry guys, but the rain is come and go, and when it comes really bad, really strong. So we're pausing, but maybe on the last 3 holes we could probably shoot again. But as much as I can, if I'm in the golf cart, I'll try to shoot some of the shots of the people I am playing with.
Hello.
And here we go guys. Game.
Hello, hi. We have a good time playing golf. The weather has cooperated and we enjoy a lot.
Thank you, Boyet.
Congratulations, JP, in your vlog. The best.
Golf is a game that you can really take your time, but definitely be cautious
Pwede
about
na.
the other players with you, and maybe if there are players behind you and all that. But you really have to make sure you put yourself in the best position to attack the green or to attack the hole. Also, take your time in reading the putts, and that's the purpose also of a caddy. They can really help you read better the greens. I mean, Philippine Navy, I've played this thousands and thousands of times. I grew up here, right? Even if I don't play it anymore recently, but I know how the greens work. But man, my putting that day was just bad. I mean, I know how it would break. I
Oy,
know
stop.
the speed, but why am I not doing it right? It's
Nice
because the mentality. I wasn't really taking my time. I just wanted to finish it. I know the condition was really bad. I could have done better. Really could have done better. But okay. After that, let's talk about something else. Let's talk about equipment, right? So guys, I know there's a lot of equipment out there, very expensive equipment, but something I realize as well, because they always say it's not the arrow, it's the Indian who shoots the arrow, it's not the bow, it's the one using it, right? But you know what? Recently, what I've discovered, because of the super advancement in technology, they actually could help. But of course, definitely, if you can really hit it
That's
for
good.
S, then you can really hit it for S, no matter how much club technology is given to you, no matter how much cost you spend or money you spend in
Oh
golf
my
clubs.
gosh,
If
nice.
you really can't play, better get a coach. But honestly, golf clubs, the technology can help. Get yourself fitted with the proper golf clubs. Maybe not yet for beginners, as you are still trying to get the feel
Nice,
of the
nice.
swing, the
Come on,
feel of the
great, great,
club,
great.
trying to get your groove and really how to manage to hit the ball. But once you are more on an advanced level, really, club fitting really works. And there's a lot of shops there or a lot of pros who can
Good
help in club
pitch.
fitting. Ping, for example, whenever you want to buy new clubs from them, they have the service to help you fit the clubs. And it's so good. I mean, from the length of the club, sometimes you think that the standard driver would work for you. Nope. Like for me, I have to cut it like an inch and a half short because that's perfect for my height. Sorry, I'm not a tall guy. Sometimes it's about
Man, the
the
thing is,
lie
buoyant
of the
man.
angle, right? So, yeah, get yourself fitted. There are a lot of advantages for that.
Yes,
But
sir.
don't you don't need to go
Oh,
too
buoyant
too
line. Oh my God.
much, right? Or too complicated with club fitting. So, some people would even do putter fittings or golf ball fitting. Well, guys, we're not pros. We're here to have fun. I also suggest get yourself liver fitting. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, just keep yourself healthy because when in the golf course and there's no beer, it's no fun at all. I'm, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Oh, and by the way, this happened in the golf course when we were playing there, and I saw a guy who was shouting at his caddy. Guys, let me tell you the importance of a caddy and why you have to tip them properly and treat them properly. Guys, they carry your goddamn bag. It's you know how heavy that is. Fine, if you have a golf cart, yeah, put it there. But they're walking and they're looking for your ball. They even try to get your ball when it goes to the water. Please, they are human beings. Treat them well. They are very important for you. They read your putts. They tell you how far it is or the yardages. They even cheer you when you hit a good shot. They try to console you when you hit a bad shot. There's no point in shouting at them. Look, if you miss the ball in a putt or you shank the ball, it wasn't their fault. You were the one who was hitting the ball, not them. So please, be a human being and treat your caddies well.
Sorry, guys, we're on hole number 5, but it's raining again. So, see you when it stops raining.
You know what? I do miss shooting vlogs in the golf course, and I do hope the
Yun.
weather,
Yun.
the weather in some coming days, some coming weekends would cooperate because it's already the rainy season. And I did buy a brand new video camera, which I hope I'd be using in the golf course. But ever since I got it, it's been raining. I haven't
Yun.
been able to bring it with me in the golf course. But I would really love to start shooting full length videos again, full vlogs where I also
Yun,
again
tama. Nice,
talk about my
buoyant.
shots, talk about where I want to hit it, and definitely as I promised before,
Come on.
have conversations with friends and guests talking about business, talking about life, talking about fun things that's happened, experiences, while over a round of golf and a few bottles of beer in the golf cart, in the clubhouse, in the tea house, and all that.
Oh, ganda na
So
pagbalik.
please,
Stop,
guys,
stop,
please
stop.
help me grow my community, help me
Yun.
grow the followers, the subscribers here. Share this,
Nice
subscribe
shot.
yourself if you're
Nice
not yet
shot.
subscribed, like some of the videos because it really helps motivate me make more videos and come up with good content for you guys.
Again, so sorry that we only can shoot a few holes, not the whole game. But I hope you had fun. I hope you can subscribe, follow me. Also follow me on Facebook. Look for JP Soliman or the Golfing Bank on Facebook, in Instagram, in TikTok. I'm always there. I'm gonna be posting some shorts from this video into those platforms. So I hope you do subscribe for more later on because I need subscriptions. So motivates me to get to do more. to do more. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Subscribe, like, and have fun, and share this to everyone you can. Next episode, Leia Raymond Chino with me in Halo Rig. Yo! Alright.